Free price action trading guidance. Round 3, day 7. The account has grown 23 times in 10 hours of continuous trading. It is now 6:20 a.m. March 31st Vietnam time. This is the M5 timeframe chart, everyone. Today is Monday, and a large gap has appeared at the top area. I have drawn 3 trend lines that I find very reliable, and these trend lines clearly show an upcoming uptrend. This means investors are still expecting strong growth in gold. So, do not rush into a sell trade without a strong, high win rate setup. Most importantly, prioritize looking for buy entries. Currently, the price is consolidating inside the gap zone and sitting right above the previous high's support. We should not rush to do anything at this moment. Remember, sometimes waiting is what brings the greatest reward. After breaking out of the consolidation zone, the gap has been filled, and the price may continue to rise. Therefore, do not mechanically rush into sell trades. At this moment, we can think about a sell, but the candle wick is still not strong enough to make a decision. Be patient. A sell trade right now is not optimal and not attractive, so skip it. When the price approaches the rising trend line, I will continue to prioritize buys. There is a wick sweep that respects the trend line, and for the second time a bullish pin bar is formed. This is a clear sign that the trend line is being respected. I decide to buy immediately. This time I do not set a take profit because I trust this rising trend line. I will wait for the price to reach the upper trend line and only cut the trade if there is a reversal. Right at this entry, I have a question for you. What strengthened this trend line and made it so well respected? There are at least 3 reasons. Try to find them. By the way, when you start thinking about the answer, time yourself and see if you can answer within 1 minute. If you can do it, that means you have improved your speed of analysis. Congratulations. With such strong candle momentum, it would be strange if resistance were not broken. So the previous consolidation zone gets broken as well. If you did not manage to enter a buy at the bottom, you can now consider a buy here. After a strong rally breaking through resistance and the consolidation zone, the price may pull back for a retest and then continue upward. After several wick sweeps and bullish pin bars, the buyers have built a solid base for a strong move up. This retest wick is very clear, right? The bullish candle closes above the trend line and its wick sweeps down to the temporary support below. It would be a pity not to buy. However, the upper wick makes me hesitate a bit. Could it be a trap? Hopefully the next candle will be bullish. And yes, a bullish candle appears. I decide to buy immediately, targeting 2R. Just like the previous buy trade, I enter right away, still targeting 2R. Although there is some risk, I think it is acceptable. Two doji candles appear right at support, followed by a bullish engulfing candle. This is the buy opportunity. With the trend line above, I expect this trade to reach 1R or even more than 2R, but I still set a minimum target of 1.5R. As for the take profit, it is set at 1R. There can be profit, but there is also significant risk. Here is your exercise question. List all the pros and cons of setting the take profit at only 1R. Do not use ChatGPT. Think for yourself. If you are lazy about thinking, you will find it hard to improve. and money will not come easily to you either. Remember, when you join my Backcom program, you not only receive daily trading fee rebates, but also receive the answers to the exercise questions that I frequently ask in my videos. You gain knowledge from the exercises and confidently receive your daily fee rebates. If you registered Backcom through someone else and your benefits are not sufficient, message my assistant to receive the full benefits immediately and improve your trading every day. You do not even need to draw it to know it is consolidating, right? Practicing visual observation and drawing by eye helps develop sharper analytical thinking. And now, when the consolidation breaks, we can sell. The price is heading toward the lower trend line, where buyers may be building a base. When setting a 2-hour take profit by eye, you can extend the trend line and use its intersection as the take profit level. I find this reward ratio quite reasonable. The uptrend between the rising trend line and support creates a high win rate setup Bs, which I shared in 4 images on the bot's signal channel. If the price breaks up from support, this buy trade will definitely win. I give you my word. As expected, that is how a high win rate setup works. This trade will easily reach its take profit at the upper consolidation zone. Once again, 2R is the standard I want you to aim for. As a result, the trade was successful. I may teach wrong things sometimes, but luck was on my side. My honor is still intact. Now it is time to stop. It has already been 10 hours. Why do I always share my trading history directly on the chart? Because text and numerical histories are very easy to program or edit. But history shown on the chart is truly difficult to manipulate because the chart is constantly changing. If you edit it poorly, you will get indigestion. No, I mean a headache. I am 10-hour trader helping you trade better.